Family time is really just about family members being together. Um, it could be something like going on a trip or doing something big, but normally it just means spending time together, being in the same place, doing simple things together. But there's another way to look at family time, and that is being intentional about it. It's about you saying to yourself, this is important to me. It's important that I put my phone away, that I turn off work, and that I get out into nature or do something with my family. Our children are way more likely to model what it is that we do rather than what we say, particularly if they're involved and particularly if they're learning from the situation. Family time can really help to shape a healthy lifestyle because it's an opportunity for families to be together and to do things together. It's an opportunity for parents to teach their children about having some control over my fitness level, getting out for a walk, maybe playing ball in the back garden, taking our dog for a walk, but also in other ways. Family time together is a good way to talk about what's happening, to maybe discuss a sport if it's on the television, to maybe to encourage your children to set the table, to stir the pot, to help with cleanup. It's a really good way in that to model giving and receiving praise, showing respect, and just spending time together. I would say to parents that during this very unusual time we're living through, to think simply, to think about the little things that we can do, to think about a time of the day that maybe they could get out and about for a walk, to even just get out of the house and get fresh air in their back garden, to notice times in the day that their children are maybe becoming a little screen dependent and to encourage them to move away from the screen. Don't take for granted that our children will know what to do, and particularly if they've been preoccupied by screens. Encourage them in a really positive way to move on, maybe to watch a film with you, maybe to come down and help you with an organization, like we're going to clear out a closet, we're going to maybe fix something that needs attention. Sometimes family members don't want to engage in the family time that you have planned for them. And I think the secret there is really acknowledging that we all have different interests at different ages and that it's absolutely okay. So I think it's important to present your child with some choices. Would you like to go for a walk on the beach or in the park? Is there something else that you can do that's doable, affordable, and reasonable? And to listen to your child's idea. You might not be able to do it today, but you might be able to tell them, hey, we'll do that the next time we can, and give them a date. But maybe really encourage them also to do things with you.